Trashidele, what makes meditation? So today is about, many people think or many people ask me about what is meditation and how do I know I'm in meditation, and also particular some people say, oh, I'm meditating all the time. When I walk, I'm meditating. When I sing, I'm meditating. When I cook, I'm meditating. When I do exercise, I'm meditating. On the other hand, some people said, I want to meditate, but I cannot meditate. I have so much thought and so much emotions, something like that. So there's some kind of like two extreme there. So the real meditation is, what makes meditation is the awareness, the presence of awareness. That's the what we call essence of meditation is recognizing awareness. So whether your mind peace or calm, whether you are relaxing or not, that's not the issue. So even you may not experience peace, you may not experience relax, but if you recognize awareness, if you have the presence of awareness, you are in meditation. So normally what we call the experience of meditation and the meditation. The experience of meditation has peaceful, joyful, happiness, bliss, clarity, non-conceptual state of mind, so on, so on, so on. All these are the experience of meditation. But these are not meditation. These are coming byproduct of meditation. But what is real meditation? Awareness, being presence of awareness. So if you have presence of awareness, then whether you have thought, no thought, doesn't matter. So even you have thought, if you know you're having thought, then still you are in meditation. So normally what we call, if you see the river, if you can see the river, that means you are out of river. So if you fall into river, carried by river, then you cannot see river. So if you see the river, that means you are out of river. At the same time, you don't have to stop the river. You don't have to block the river. So likewise, in our mind, there's a thought, emotion, just like river, coming, going. So if you see the thought and emotion, there's awareness. So that awareness is the essence of meditation. And if you don't have much thought and emotion in your mind is just quiet and calm. If you know you're calm and quiet, that is meditation. But maybe your mind is relaxed, you don't know, like you're out, not much thinking. You don't know where you are, you're totally lost. That's also not meditation. So in another word, meditation is kind of like the main important aspect of meditation is the awareness, the presence of awareness, and you have to somehow, what we call the view and motivation change the quality of meditation. So if you don't know about awareness, and if you don't have the motivation to be the presence of awareness, then even though you look like resting, maybe you go to spa and massage, relax, that's not really meditation. So by having this awareness, then you will really be yourself. You can really be free yourself. The awareness is like lamp. It illuminates darkness. This awareness is like space. Thought, emotion is like cloud, storm, rainbow, like that. So these thought, emotion like cloud, storm, rainbow, they can come, they can stay, they can go. So they are calm, they are arises in the space, stay in the space, dissolve back into space. So they don't change space. They cannot, even the hurricane, tornado, cannot change space. Space cannot change. So awareness cannot change. But we don't know our awareness. That's the issue. That's the problem. So the essence of meditation is not getting lost. What is the meaning of not getting lost? Be presence of awareness. So recognize awareness, be presence of awareness. That's all. Very simple. So now you know meditation. So most important part of meditation already know. Very good. Thank you.